Students across California won't have state-required COVID-19 vaccinations for the upcoming school year.
We don't have full FDA approval, and we recognize the implementation challenges that schools and school leaders would face, that we are not moving to have a vaccine requirement for schools in this coming academic year, and no sooner than July 2023.
Coronavirus vaccines have emergency use authorization for kids as young as 5, but full FDA approval has only been granted for ages 16 and up. San Diego Unified officials say they're continuing to monitor developments, but board trustee Richard Barrera says the state's announcement won't impact the district's existing vaccination requirement.
We're moving forward with our vaccine mandate because our vaccine mandate is for students age 16 and above, because there's already full FDA approval for students in that age group.
Barrera says the requirement kicks in for students 16 and older starting in the upcoming summer term, with full implementation in the fall. He says right now 80% of the district students ages 16 and up are fully vaccinated.
Unfortunately, the students between 5 and 12 is still hovering in that 35 to 40% range.
Once FDA approval is given for younger children, Barrera says San Diego Unified will move to include them under their vaccine mandate, and word from the FDA could be coming sooner rather than later.
This is a standard timeline. I expect full approval to come relatively soon. Of course, I have no crystal ball into the inside of FDA, but I know that they're working on that.
Mark Sawyer is a member of the local chapter of the American Academy of Pediatrics. He also sits on the FDA advisory committee that gave emergency authorization for the vaccines. He says data continues to show they're safe.
Pediatricians are still fully in support of immunization all the way down to age 5. It will help with outbreaks in schools.
State officials are implementing new programs to try and increase the vaccination rate among younger kids. They're also making millions of dollars in funding available for vaccination sites to stay open later for working families. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.